Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make crab and dumpling only way. Start by prepping fresh crab meat, finely removing shells and chilling the meat. Mix dumpling dough with chilled water until soft, then rest it covered. Simmer a rich broth with onion, celery, and bay leaf, then fold in crab and gentle dumplings. Finish with lemon zest and chopped parsley for brightness and serve immediately while hot and fragrant. Start the crab filling by fluffing chilled crab meat and checking for stray shells. In a bowl, combine crab, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of Dijon, and a pinch of salt and pepper, mixing gently to keep the lumps intact. Add 1 tablespoon chopped chives and 2 tablespoons finely diced celery for texture. Taste and adjust lemon and seasoning, then refrigerate briefly while you prepare the dough and broth. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and recipes. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite pairs nicely with cozy cooking sessions or waiting while dumplings steam. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Combine 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 3/4 cup cold water to form a soft dough. Knead gently until just combined, then let the dough rest covered for about 10 minutes to relax. Roll and cut into bite-sized pieces, or pinch off dumplings with floured hands. Drop dumplings into simmering crab broth, cook uncovered for 10 to 12 minutes until set, then skim and serve with crab meat folded in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.